what's up, guys? Today is something not so funny, but sad. And no, I am not digging for fun. Please go comment down in the just go comment down in the comment section down below. See if this little guy will survive. And no, I'm not talking about damn worm, jeez. I'm talking about this beautiful little bird. No, he is not dead. No, he cannot fly. What the heck? Oh look, his bread. His water. Oh, so no, he's not dead. No, he is not. He cannot fly. But the sad thing is, if this little guy can make it, cause I was driving with my mom, and she actually saw it, but then she's all like, nah, it's just gonna fly. So she just like managed to drive over it, because you know, whenever there's a bird in front of your car and you get close to it, it flies away. So yeah, that's what she tried to do, but then when she didn't see it fly, she thought she ran it over. So we went and checked it out, and it was actually a little bird. This is not actually funny. Oh damn it, I can't find any worms. This is not funny. This is actually very sad for a little worm. I hope you guys hit the like button to see if this little bird can survive or not, because I am actually sad right now. Please subscribe, hit that like button like I said. What else do birds eat? Let's see. Number one, worms, bread. I'm so sad right now. This looks like I'm having some fun, doesn't it? Playing with mud, living my childhood. But no, this is actually very sad, because this little guy is on that side. His leg is bleeding. Damn it, I give up. I'm not finding any worms. So you guys see any? Nope, no worms, no sign of worms. So probably gonna go to Walmart and buy some worms. And if you're ever on this situation, just please try to make it live, or just like take it to a veterinario. I don't know how you say it in Spanish. So yeah, just like help a little bird. So let me go close up look to it. Hello, little guy.